Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Kisha Wells, and today this is going to be a pretty short video. I'm just going to show you how it is you can install um, Oracle VirtualBox onto your machine. So let's just jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is search Oracle VirtualBox in the browser. Right, so it will come up looking like this. You want to click the first one that you see. You go to Windows Host and you click it. And then this will usually come up with is that you have a firewall on your computer. You can click Keep and it will show up like that. Then you go to Show in Folder. Okay, well, you can just go to Folder, go to Downloads. You see it here, and then you click that. You just wait for the pop-up. And once you get the pop-up, you'll have a series of steps to go through. Alright, there's pop-up. And you click Next. Alright, but because I have already had it on my computer, it will come up like this. But then there's like a series of steps to be used in the event that you do install it like brand new. Now after that, let me just open it up and show you what it looks like on my end. So it looks like this. Just wait for it to open up. Right, so it's going to open up like that. Right, you see I have Silver 2019 and Windows 10 here. These are the two machines that we're going to be using throughout this series. Right, I will show you how to download that in the next video, but that's basically it for today in terms of downloading virtual box, Oracle VirtualBox. Alright, so you just have to be sure to go to this site. You click Windows Host, it will come up right here. You click Show in Folder. Once that folder comes up, or you can just go to Files and go in Downloads, and it will show up right there. When that happens, you click it and the extra window will come up. That's it for today. Bye bye.